was one of the prime movers, is one of the prime movers of this ministerial fellowship, and this is composed of the Linamon and Iligan pastors. And may I call on Pastor Rene Salazar of the Shekinah Ministerial Fellowship.
In behalf of the Shekinah prayer movement, from pastors from Linamon, Iligan City, and down to Mantico, I will say only a few words concerning Pastor Robert. Pastor Robert Matalinis joined the Shekinah prayer movement in 2004. And in 2005 to 2007, he became a chairman, vice chairman of the Shekinah prayer movement. In 2007 to 2008 of October of this year, 2009, he became a chairman. Bisan tuod og daghang trabaho, daghang bulaton, a busy person, but yet he was able to manage his time to join with us to pray every Saturday morning at 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. In Shekinah Grove, we consider that Pastor Robert is a great loss for us. We know his passion, his courage, but one thing we say, that his labor is not in vain in the Lord. He came to me while the service ended up and embraced me and said, "Chief, let's go on. I have to go. I want to join him in his Christmas party."